Okay, quick turbine update. Electric turbine. Stubby fan V4. All right, I've already taken out the old gears from the shaft, giggity, and I've got them set up to where we can put the aluminum gears on. Everything should be press fit. This is the carrier for all of it. You've seen that before. I'm going to assemble the ring gear and all of the planetaries together and get them in the box where they're supposed to be. Then I'm going to set this on top and make sure that it's seated properly before I index the motor down into it and tighten up the Allen screws that I have on both sides, just to make sure that it's not only aligned perfectly, but rotationally I don't have any wobble in the gear itself. And then once that's done, the back side of the sun gear, which looks like this, will slide over this shaft, giggity, and that's how it'll engage the fan. So this old, like I said, will come off, this old box. This will go on. And I did all this because I wanted everything to be new for the metal gears. And I even redid this mount. Like you see this upper ring, which kind of made everything more stable because I was getting movement up and down, basically leaning inward. So that would, if there was any torque on the motor that was uneven, it would move the motor. That would cause some vibration. So this will stop that because these will be bolted directly to these as they slide in here, giggity. And then everything should marry up perfectly. And the gears are in at 50%. So but I don't know how long it takes to get here after they're done, but we'll see what happens. So we're all set. We've got our 2200s, and it's going 48 volts. A 48 volt motor. You know, the ESC I'm using is a 150 amp Fly Color Fly Dragon ESC, and the Flip Sky 6374 motor, and at 190 kV, and the motors are 7 DC discharge rate for and they're 2200 milliamp for a total of 4400 milliamps at 48 volts at a 4-to-1 gear ratio with aluminum gears. Fingers crossed on that fan we hit 32,000 RPMs, and that is what we're going for. And if that works, that means we're going to push about 55 pounds of thrust, which means the Shrike XL will lift 220 pounds. And then we're going to try putting Colt on it. I'm just kidding. Colt, get out of the garbage.